So this is the Plymouth Voyager. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah. Well, this is how it finally died. 280,000 miles on it. See, there's all oil on the fans. Right down there. Has a melted spark plug. Well, if you come down here and look down here, I don't know if you can see that. There's a hole right in the motor. Yep. Blew a hole in the block. So yeah, there's oil everywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that with you. You have the key for it?
No, you do.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not focusing. But there's actually 280,000 miles on it. But yeah, that's it.